Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazem Moridi, and in this video I'm planning to teach you about the new kind of the collections. In the last video we learned about what is exactly a list. A list is an object that we use to store items regardless of the data type and order. And in this video I'm planning to teach you about the sets. What exactly are sets? Sets is a unique collection of items. You cannot store a duplicate of values in a set. It is unordered and it cannot store items that are exist in this list or set. It is super useful to store items such as fruits or days or some item that's actually you can store them, and it's very useful to store a unique set of items. And as it is only a store unique items, then because of that it's really faster to search in these sets um, compared to the list. So let's go ahead and create a set in the code. In order to create sets programmatically, first we need to write down set with uppercase S, upper letter S, and then the type of set that we want, for example, a string, and then the name of variable I'm going to call fruits, and then create two braces together. And as you see, we can store items to in here. For example, apple, orange, kiwi. As you see, we have store items. If I want to bring this list, you'll see that fruits. Let me go fruits. If I print this set in the console, you will see that actually it was um, printed like this. And if I want to add another item that exists before, for example, kiwi, you will see that um, kiwi actually doesn't the set size doesn't increase at all because the item key was actually existed in the sets, because sets are kind of collection that only store unique items, and because of that there's no matter how many times I added kiwi into the sets, it won't be added in the set at all. Because it's a collection, we can also use all the function that we could use in the collections. For example, I can um, I can add fruits dot first. For example, if I want to check the first, for example, I get the first item of fruits. If I run this code, you will see that apple was be shown. Or we can use another feature, another function that fruit has or color set has. For example, the length of this set, which is going to be three item 1 2 3. You need to be careful because sets indexes and the length are so on completely different numbers, so you need to be careful. Or adding a value, adding a list of value, and element add, can get an item at index, for example. There are lots of available options you can use to change your sets. I think that's enough for sets. Let me add some new sets. For example, let me add fruits, add adding let me add another uh, fruit, for example watermelon. Let me add it together and just you will see that, sorry, if I run this code, you'll see that watermelon was added to this set. But if I want to add it again, you'll see that again watermelon wouldn't be added because it was exist before in the set. And mm, now, okay, let me refresh the code. um, you will see that watermelon doesn't add it twice into the code because sets are kind of collection that are unique to the numbers. I think that's enough for now. If you like my videos and you want to watch more of these Dart uh, tutorial videos, please consider leaving a like or even subscribing to my YouTube channel. And that's it. Happy coding and bye bye.